everybody, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I'm bringing you the Macy's box for September of 2019. I should have taken off my glasses. Should I take off my glasses? Yeah, I'll take off my glasses just so I could get my thumbnail. I'm a dork, I know. I have not opened my box. I don't know what's in here. I believe I saw one unboxing of this, maybe two. But I didn't really pay attention because I was at work and I can't really see my phone when I'm at work. So let's see what's happening up in this box. Ugh. They put your address like on top of the perforated opening. So we have to fight. Oh, so this is different. Okay, so this was the, so I did see this. Okay, so we normally get a bag. There's no bag this month, so there is the paper in there. It says Macy's Beauty Box. Oh, sweet. Okay, I got all excited, but it's because you get, what can I cover it with? I can't give you my code, y'all, because I use these. I use the coupon. So this month, I don't want to know what we have. So we normally get a $5 off coupon. Maybe I should show it like this. We normally get a $5 off coupon. No, I can't show you that either. Okay. So we normally get a $5 off coupon. But this month, we got a $10 coupon. Yes! I wanted to show you the coupon because I didn't want you to think I was lying. But we normally get these. And this one's still good, right? Yeah. So we normally get a $5 off coupon. This month we're getting 10. I am so excited because it's fantastic. And I think I really like the stuff in my bag or box because there's no bag. Okay. So normally we get a makeup bag, but not this time. We get just them. It's always wrapped in this pretty pink paper. So let me try not to drop it. Okay, so what's in here? So for those of you that don't know about Macy's, Macy's is what, $15 a month, $10 a month? I believe it is now, or $15 a month. They've been raising prices here and there for all kinds of little boxes, so I know it might be about 10. Oh, how rude am I? So if you are new to my channel, thank you for being here. Welcome to my familia. Everyone here is family, so stay for a while. And for those of you that are returning, thank you for being here. You know, I'm a little crazy, a little messy sometimes, and a little confused, but it's all good. We're gonna get through this. So I think it's 15. I will list the price for the box right here when I figure it out. They just take the money out of my bank account. Like last month they took out $2, so I don't know, they may have taken the rest of it this month, so I don't know. So let's get started. I really like what I see in here. So it says, on the glow. Schedules get busy, but beauty is always a priority. Keep your skin radiant and your glam game on point with these skincare upgrades and travel-friendly tools and makeup. A $73 value. Check out how-to videos, full-size versions of your favorites, and more at Macy's. Yeah, this is just a sampler box. So everything in here is not the full-size item, but they do have the prices for the full-size item in here, so I can give you that information. And then with the coupon, it's cheaper, you know what I'm saying? And they have great, Macy's is one of those locations I like to shop during the holidays because you can get a lot of stuff for not that much money. If that makes sense. Like you get bundles. They always have bundles, or if you buy this, you get this free. They always have these awesome bundles. So anyway, let's get started. I've had a lot of sugar. It's 8 o'clock at night and I'm like on a roll. Okay, so the first thing in here that I'm pulling out is this Trifecta anti-wrinkle wrinkle recode serum. That's a lot. The full-size value, the full-size bottle of this is $89. I don't think this is full-size, but the full-size one is $89. Let's see what's inside. Let's see if it's safety sealed, because, oh my gosh. I put on my nails, and now I can't do anything. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, my eye keeps switching. What does that mean, bunny? Anti-wrinkle, wrinkle recode, line transforming. Okay, so it's a pump style. I like Strivectin. I like using these. These are great samples to try. It gives you about a week or so product, maybe 2 weeks if you stretch it. And then you can tell, is it working for me? Is it not working for me? But the full size of this is $89. So that's one of them. Add this rich formula to your AM/PM regimen for best results. And it does say you start seeing results in 7 days. So, well, you know, that's enough in there for 7 days. The next thing is, should I put my glasses on? Is Cohn MD High Potency Classics Fast Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. And his stuff is awesome. I do have one of his foundations. Ooh. It does smell like roses, but not too strong. But if you don't like roses, you may or may not like. Yeah, a Luxe Rose scent will make it a new favorite. This the full size of this is $69, and it does smell like roses. So if roses is not your thing, you might not like this. But Cohn, he has is it a he? Shit, I don't even know, but I know it's a doctor. He or she, I don't know, but great products. So this is $69. Really good like roses. Okay. So the next item is a Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Ooh, nice. Meet the new hero of your PM routine. It transforms from a solid balm to a silky oil, removing makeup and giving your skin the cleanse it deserves. The regular price for this is $30. I love balms. That's what I take my makeup off with. Right now I'm using Tatcha oil. You rub it all in, it comes right off, and then you go into your normal routine. And I believe Clinique doesn't have any fragrances in their stuff. I could be wrong, but because this doesn't smell like anything. And it is filled all the way to the top. And this is, I love Clinique stuff. Yeah, I believe Clinique doesn't have perfume in their items. Yep, allergy tested, 100% fragrance free. That's the container there. Did I show you Cohn? No, I didn't. How rude. So there's Cohn's, and it is kind of full. That one was made in Japan, so see, it's kind of full. But you know, it doesn't go based on how full the product is. It's the volume that's in there. Anyway, that's enough. So $30 for that, full size of that. The next thing is this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush and exposed. That's nice. I think I have these already, so I'm not gonna swatch it because I believe I have it, and I don't want to swatch it. Hi, color. So that's the color there. I have several of these, so I don't want to. It says feisty. What color did it say here? It says exposed and exposed. Isn't that the color? But here it says feisty. Well, whatever. It's a blush, and the retail the bigger size retails for $29. So got that. I know I will be keeping that. Then we have the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Pencil. This one is closed. I don't want to open it. Made in Germany. Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. So that's that. I believe that's the color. So I don't want to open it, because I might put this in a giveaway. Save space in your bag for all essentials. Use this little number for both lip and cheek touch-ups. The regular, it's not the regular size. It's the color Bell. $24. This might be this is $24? Huh. I wonder if that's like the normal size. A Zaro, then we always get perfume samples, and this is a Zaro Wanted Girl. I know they have a blue one for the guys. Oh, this is actually nice. I like the packaging on this. I think the Zaro Wanted in for men is blue, and it looks like a gun or something. But this one looks, so that's what the full-size bottle looks like, and it kind of looks like a revolver, like the handle of a revolver. And the full size for this Wanted, oh, here's the guys. Yeah, see, I'll show you the guys in a minute. It's new. It's at Macy's first, and it has notes of ginger flower, dulce de leche, and vetiver will leave you totally addicted. The full size of this is $105. Wow. Yeah, perfume's expensive. Oh, it smells good, but it smells like something I already have. It kind of smells like candy. I guess it's the dulce de leche. It smells good. It's sweet. It's a fall scent. Yeah, it's a fall scent. It smells good, but it smells something. It smells familiar. And then this is the Guy's Wanted. I'm not gonna spray it because just not. See how the Guy's bottle looks like? Looks like a revolver. It's actually kind of nice. I just like it for the aesthetic. I don't know what this smells like, but it's lemon, cardamom, and vetiver. I don't know what that is. A woodsy, fresh, and spicy eau de toilette with an addictive trail. So that's for men. And then the last, and that one retails for $89. See how men's shit costs less than women's? Get the hell out of here. So the men's cologne is 3.4 ounces and it's $89. The women's is 2.7 ounces and it's $105. Okay. And then we have this thing. This is created for Macy's 2-in-1 blender and brush. Your touch-ups are about to get much easier. The dual-sided design for this little guy makes it a perfect tool for on-the-go makeup refreshes. For quick glam touch-ups, keep this in your bag at all times. I like the color. It's nice. I like this color blue. It's very pretty. Okay, so how do we get this out? It comes like, that's what it looks like. Ooh, this is different. You know what this needs? Like a plastic case to put it in. Like if this was plastic and it opened, and then you could put this inside and then close it so you don't mess up. How the hell are you gonna just throw this in your bag? You'll mess up your beauty blender. So it's supposed to be a beauty blender. It kind of reminds me of a finger. That's the beauty blender side. It's not. I wonder if it expands if you wet. But then if you wet it, then you wet the brush, right? So you'd have to be careful. I don't know. The brush is synthetic. It's a nice little brush. Be good for maybe contouring. No, just powdering. I don't know. We'll figure that out. But yeah, I wish it would have came with like a little plastic container, so you don't mess up your brush, you know. If you want to just throw it in your bag, unless you throw it back in this thing like I'm doing, and then keep it like this. I don't know. And then it came in this little bag. So that's everything that came in the Macy's. No bag this time. I wonder why they got rid of the bags, because they were stinky. I know some of them smelled pretty bad. So let's trace our steps. We got the beauty blender and brush. We got the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Feisty. We got the Strivectin Anti-Wrinkle Wrinkle Recode. Got that there. Then we got the 2 perfume samples. We got one for him and one for her. The Asado Wanted Girl and Asado Wanted. I actually like the bottles. That's the females and then that's the males. So that, got those, and that smells good. It smells really good. And then we got the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. That was a nice little sample that we got. And then we also got the Cohn MD High Potency Classics Fast Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. So we got that. That's a nice thing to have. And then the last thing in here was the lip and cheek pencil in the color Belle, and this is Nude Sticks. So I might try this. I don't know. I might open it, but I don't want to open it now because I've got that mystery box. Actually ends today. I'm filming on the 10th, so I'll be picking a winner tonight. So good luck. This video is probably gonna come out afterwards, so congratulations whoever won, because I know this video is gonna come out way after I post the winner. So thank you for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Again, I believe this box is $10 a month, but my lovely, lovely, lovely family will let me know down in the comment section if I'm wrong. But but I will put it somewhere down below what the box is, and if you would like to try the Macy's box, I will have a link down below. There's all my links are down below if you want to ever try anything out. So thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you for always joining me. It's a pleasure. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the make sure that you're subscribed, because I know YouTube likes to take that subscribe button away from some people. So once again, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. Hasta Laterz.